So it's the second day. We're leading a group, and we're just getting started here. And guess what? We need the jump box. That new jump box that we checked out, well, we need it.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, JFEGWO jump box. We'll put a link in the description. It's a good one to use. Also has an air compressor on it.
Yes, it does.
Well, hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. How embarrassing was that, to have a wrecker on a fan ride that won't start? Thank goodness we had our new jump start box here. From JFEGWO. It worked perfectly. Let me grab a battery and show you. So the batteries in the wrecker are, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 years old, and they just don't quite cut it anymore. So you plug in the jumper cables to it, and you hook it up to the battery. Push the power button, hold it, and even at 75%, it says 12 volt ready, and you start the vehicle. It works great. And it started the wrecker right up. It's even got an air compressor here. I haven't used this yet, but it has an air compressor. Let's see. Turn it on. And it has, look at that, target 36 PSI. 0 PSI right now. We'd have to hook it up to a tire. Well, let's see if we can do that. So, this one has 11.5 PSI in it. Our target's 36 PSI. Let's see. Look at that. Well, that works pretty good. And it even has a light on it. Look at that. Emergency flash. Anyway, link in the description. So, this is our fan ride. We have a group of about 4 Jeeps. And then our tail gunners that are coming with us. We're just tooling through the woods here, having a good time. They're all doing pretty good. We're doing some medium trails. We don't want to hurt the wrecker, so we're not doing anything real difficult. Looks like they all came through that pretty good.
I think this needs to be cleared up.
Oh, this is an ATV trail.
Yeah, look how deep that is, homie. And all these in that.
It's a solid bottom. Well, we still got our whole group with us. We're gonna go do some hill climbing on Red Hills. I don't know if it's east or west, what it is, but we're gonna go do some hill climbing. Everybody had fun on the hill climb. Now we're gonna go do high voltage. See how everybody does on the twists and the turns. Well, we're having a little bit of trouble coming through high voltage. We'll see what happens. We'll keep you updated. Well, there's this big hole right here. Try and go forward. Keep it driving. Yeah, turn straight now. No, the other way. Got a rock on driver. As it turned out, we had a call, so we had to abandon our run on high voltage and head out to the call. We got a call to come to Gumy's Rocks, so we're on the top portion of Gumy's Rocks. We'll see what's going on.
What'd you do? Well, you're in the situation. What did you do?
Okay. All All right, we got one turtled on a rock here in the middle of the hill. So we're gonna back up and get him off of there. Yep. That wasn't too bad, and we got him off of there and he was able to climb the rest of the hill. Okay, now that that's done, we had a little recovery. Now that that's done, we're going to go do a tailpipe and then it's off to lunch. Fun fact about that trail, me and Phil and Lance cut that trail years ago for a Jeep Jamboree, and I can't remember who it was, if it was me or if it was Phil, bent the tailpipe on it when it was brand new, and so we called it Tailpipe Lane. Now it's time to go to lunch. So lunch was good. We had taco in a bag, and Mara had her dilly bar.
Yes, I did.
And Mara's driving, so we'll see what happens. We'll touch back with you.
What are you saying? I'm a bad driver?
No, not at all.
I didn't hit a tree today, and I didn't take the tree bark out of the front grill.
I didn't know I did either.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I guess I hit a tree. Looks like Jimmy wants to drive. Huh. I don't know if we can let her drive. So, Abby's on the Medallion hunt, so we're kind of following her around. We'll get you a picture of the clues here as they let them out. But she's thinking it's over by Hug the Bank. So Mara didn't want to drive anymore. We're at Hug the Bank, and we haven't found the Medallion at the entrance yet. So maybe at the maybe along the trail or the exit. Shall we do Hug the Bank with the wrecker? Might be at Break the Bank. So Abby and Mara started looking around, and guess what? Well, Mara was right. We drove Hug the Bank, and we came to a trail called Break the Bank, and it's a fairly new trail. We thought, well, maybe it's at Break the Bank. So we started looking around, and sure enough, Mara found it. She got the Medallion. Well, the day isn't over yet. It's only slightly after lunch. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.